How to access to your Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today I'll be teaching you guys how you can access to your Yahoo Mail. Firstly, open any browser you have and type www.yahoo.com. Now this type of homepage will be appeared in your screen, from which you have to tap on sign in button in the upper right corner. Enter your username or email or mobile number that you used during creating your Yahoo Mail. If you entered your mobile number, a 6-digit code will be sent to your mobile number. Copy it and paste it on this blank space. Now click on verify and tap on your account, and that's it. This is how easily you can access to your Yahoo Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you and you are able to access to your Yahoo account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get the more informative contents. We'll see you on next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.